Oh, welcome to this video. And for this video, you will identify what's the job, or you will know what is the job. We are Wild Co-working Space, and we are hiring for a virtual teacher. Unsa may ginatudlo ani English. English ang ginatudlo. But at the same time, provided na ang lesson material, all you have to do is to teach English. Now, if you are a dili ka college graduate, dili ka na mo pwede i-hire. But if you are a college graduate of any 4 to 5 year degree course, pwede kay kani. Now, let's talk about this one. So, unsa among hiring process? Among hiring process is simple lang. You must attend the screening, which is babasahon ra ka. Second, you will go for training, and then ikatulo is the demo. So, um, we had a lot of teachers right now. We are 17, and dili gyud sila literally nga English teacher. So, si Sir Donald is a public administration sa IPA. Si Ma'am Michelle is business agri management sa Central Manila University. Si Sir Ronel is a BHSRM sa BSU, BSBA Marketing po ni siya. And si ano, tapos naabot tayo mga lain nga kurso diri. So, BS Administration, Business Administration, BS Mathematics, BS Information Technology, BS Mathematics minor in Statistics, naabot tayo BS Economics and Criminology. Actually, si Ma'am Jella, man is atong top earners. Ma'am Jella is a BS Criminology, registered criminologist po na siya. And si Ma'am Regine is a BS Office Administration sa PCF. So, ang first batch po namo gyud kini sila. Si Ma'am Sheila is a BS Ed in English sa SAIT. Si Ma'am Sigrid sa Business Administration. Si Ma'am Irka, Public Administration. Si Sir sa BS Social Studies. Ano sila ang mga first batch. Physical Education po ni si Ma'am Joyce mo. So, what you're going to do is attend the screening. After that, you will have a training. And after that, after the training, you will proceed to demo. I'm a Kabalaka because we will guide you all throughout the process so that you can pass and get this job. Now, ang mo lang yung hangyo sa inyo is to continue the process all throughout para mapasar ninyo ang inyong um, mapasar niyo ang tanang process. This is just a 4 day process. So, in 4 days na nakaitrabaho. So, for example, video ani, okay? Example video, kini si DJ Car nag-screening, and then ang training ani, let's look at kini siya. Let's look at the screening process. But no, for example, kini si Sir. Kini si Sir.
The local zoo had recently opened.
Kini si Sir is based criminology and licensed na siya. And everyone here has no experience mo nang libre po ang training. Wala mo ipagawa sa kwarta. So you just have to attend the screening. And then sa screening, you have to attend the training and then the demo. Kini si Sir, ipasar niya siya sa screening.
Three new butterfly gardens that everyone was talking about. Sophia imagined herself walking through the colorful butterfly gardens that everyone was talking about. Sophia imagined herself walking through the colorful exhibit, watching hundreds of butterflies.
So, we are not pyramiding nga magpagawas mo og kwarta para ma-hire o magawas ang we are not pyramiding. We are not pyramiding scams. Magpagawas mo og kwarta para makakwarta mo, para makasulod mo sa mong trabaho. Magpagawas mo og kwarta para namoy account. No, you have to earn it through screening, training, or demo. Okay. So we will guide you all throughout for this process. Saan mo pagkuan sa process, saan mo pagpasar sa company. Let's talk with the compensation. There are two shift ang mong gina-offer. Ang adlaw, domestic shift o night shift. Sa night shift, no, kini account is kamang kuan. She earned sa isa quincena she earned 7,000. Ano siya, 7,000. This is with the deduction sa CO fees. All in all, iha yung income ini is naa sa ang iyang isa kinsina is 11,900, 11,043. Naatay i-deduction na 30% sa iyong income, which would cost sa generation or operational expenses. Mo automatically deduct siya og 30% sa imong sweldo para sa operational expenses. So if we are going to look at the sweldo ni ma'am, isa kinsina last March, last March, nakaswil, mo pa niya ang pagsugod, but she earned 11,000 na for this. Ang starting salary is sa iya is 50, but ang sweldo falls na pa may mga additional nga incentives, mo na siyang 69. So moabot siya og 69 iyang 25 minutes. One class is 25 minutes and it costs 50 ang basic plus the incentives dayon. So mo nang moabot og 82.79. Now, if we are going to look into the account, sa isa pud ka account sa atong top earner si Ma'am Jella, kuan na siya, BS Criminology. No? She earned sa isa ka bulan last February, 28 days na ganyan siya. Last February, 23,317. And kung imong tan-awon iyang total yun nga na-earn sa kuan, sa duration sa last February, niabot siya o 33, I think. 33. Yeah, 33,000. So, mo deduct mi og operational expenses kay mag-charge sa um, generator labi na mag-burn out. Muna siya 23,000 na iyang net. So, muna siya. And also, if you're going to look at her schedule, puno-puno siya. Okay? Top earner ini siya kay puno-puno. Sa karon 16, 25, 24 mo na iyang klase. I-times na nimo say 60 depende sa promotion. So depende sa promotion na niya, no? Promotion niya. So mo na siya ang iyang rate dayon. So Star Teacher A 50, pataas na pataas hangtod magpataas din na siya ang iyang promotion. So magpataas iyang promotion, magpataas iyang sweldo. So maabot na siya og 200 per hour na dayon ang iyang lesson. And we also had some trainings for you to earn more money while you are in the platform. So aside from that, so mo deduct mo 30% sa imong income, mo deduct po mi og if you are going to absent na mga penalties. So if you're naa po ni siya home base options. So if you want a home base options, mag home base ka, you must provide a laptop or computer, power generator, internet nimo nga kusog kanang dili sig kawala and other backups nimo, camera ug headset, noise cancelling. So mo na siya imong i-prepare if you want to be home base. So if you want the center base, we will provide you everything pero deduct mo og 30%. The advantage of working with us is not just the 30% ang deduction, dili na siya deduction. But the deduction is the operational expenses kung saan na mapagtabang para ma-develop mo to become a better professionals. So, itong kontrata would for 1 year contract this year. So, kung namoy plano nga mag-take og board exam, mag-review mo, we will still grant you a leave of absence. I-deduct na mo ang absence ninyo. Okay? So, 6 months na, 3 months pa inyong board exam, mag-leave sa ka. So mag-leave sa kag 3 months, tapos magbalik na pud ta og 6 months, mag-add na pud tag 6 months para ma 1 year na imong kontrata. So sa 5-1 talk is dako iyang sweldo pero dako pud ang iyang penalty. Iyang penalty is times 3 sa iyang sweldo. So mo na imong likayan if you want to be a home-based teacher para ani, you must provide a good internet, backup nimo generator, imong laptop kusog para dili ka ma-penalty. So, bad thing pud siya dili pud namo ika-recommend gyud para mag-home base tungod kay daghan ang penalties. So, if ever kung naay maunsa ka sa imong account, wala kay kapangutan-an. So, sa moa, pwede ka sa amo mangutana and we will help you recover your account. So, daghan siyang penalties. Moreover, if dili nimo mahuman ang contract, magbayad ka og 10,000 sa month o another kung hintahay kining napuno na yung mga schedule, dili ka magpadayon, imo na siyang bayaran kay ikaw ang magbayad sa mo og 50 per class. Magbayad ka. So, you must finish the contract. So, the terms is if you want to proceed, if you want to kuan, if you want to proceed, no. So, we want you to attend the screening. Okay. So remember that you have a 30% cut off sa imong sweldo for the operational expenses namo. Apil na siyang electric, kuryente, tubig. Wala na siya. Dili may for now, if you are tagalagyo and tagalagyo ka and you will become a teacher na gid sa mua, pwede ka na mo patulogon sa amuang center for the meantime while hinay pa ang mao pa'y pagsugod nimo and then eventually magbalhin ka og boarding house. Diba? Ana lang siya. Mao na may ka-offer. Second is that, again, natay 30% deduction, 1 year ang contract, and at the same time, kung dili ka ma-human sa imong kontrata, magbayad ka og 10,000. Mao na siya among terms. Okay? We want long-term, dili may og short-term. Now, if you are going to review for the board exam, mag-leave ka og 3 months, atong i-deduct ang 3 months, dili sa nato atong stop ang counting sa 1 year. Then balik ka ini kuman sa review, man sa board exam. Magpadayon na padayon ang imong contract. Padayon na pagsugod sa. So pwede ka na mo mag-leave. Pwede na ka mag-leave. But so dere you can earn as much as 30,000 to 40,000 a month depending sa program nga imong maapilan. Napod may mga program that would earn you an incentives of 300 pesos. Another incentives put nga 150. So na perfect attendance na kay 300. And naapod may mga incentives coming from the Samoa sa Royal Co-working Space. So if you want to continue, message me after you watch this video that you want to continue so that we could send you the screening, okay, screening schedule. So right now, what we could offer is we have um, domestic and kini si Ma'am Jella is domestic. She earns a lot. And si Ma'am Kuan, si Ma'am Michelle is obese. But she earns sakto lang yun. Sakto lang. And so far, if you want, amo po ni sila ibutang sa mga special programs so that they could earn too much and a lot. Okay? And so that's all for this video. So if you want to apply for the Kuan, if you want to apply with us, message me after you watch the video nga, "Sir, mapadayon ko, mag-proceed ko sa screening. I understand the terms and conditions and I want to work with you." So that's it. So send me a message after this and I think that's all. Okay? So send me a message after this and that's all. Thank you and goodbye. See you on screen kung gusto gid ka. But kung dili, if you want the home base, gyapon, if you have the computer, so let's talk about the home base option. So you must have an internet that is running of at least 5 Mbps. Dili naka Wi-Fi, naka wired, naka LAN. Kaduha, imong laptop should be Core i5 10th generation. Ang camera nimo HD 180p. Tapos imong headset is noise cancelling. Overall, the setup cost you, I think, 100,000. So, just let me know if you have these gadgets and gusto ka mag-home base, I will help you also for the process. So, again, if you want to work with us at Royal Co-working Space, If you want to work with us at Royal Co-working Space, we are not pyramiding. We are hiring virtual teachers, and you are just going to teach English for you're going to teach English for Chinese and Arab students. The lessons are provided, the materials are provided, so you are just going to teach. So na may bago na hire karon this April, si ma'am, sila ma'am. Let's congratulate them for, for this video na. Okay si sir. Kini si sir. So mga full-fledged na mga teachers. So again, thank you for this. Message me kung gusto ka mag-home base or mag-center base. Again, kung mag-center base ka, kami mo provide sa equipment. Well, natay mga terms, katong mga terms ang gingon. Pero kung mag-home base ka, you must spend at least 100,000 and you get the job. Pero dili pa na siya puruhan yung makakuha ka sa trabaho. Still, you will undergo screening, napala yung training, then napagod yung demo. Same process imong agian, but tanawon pa nila imong equipment kung mo pasar ka, kung mag-home base ka. Kung dili mo pasar, then sayang imong gasto. But if you're going to work with us 1 year, nasa 30% cut sa imong total salary. And kung tagalagyo ka, pwede ka na mapatulugan sa imong quarter. Eventually, balhin din ka sa imong boarding house kung gusto ka mag-boarding house. And yeah, so that's it for this video. So if you want, message me. Sir, gusto ko magpadayon, gusto ko magpa-screening, taga-screening schedule. So thank you for watching this video and bye.